Hey everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore. Welcome to my channel. Today is quick and easy day and this is super quick. I'm actually going to be using a Dollar Tree bag on this because I love these bags. They were so cute. I actually bought two kinds. This one is the longer one that I'm using. You have to cut these, but there are 20 bags in here. The treat bag with twist ties. And I got these as well. And I was going to use these, but these are super, super thin. But there's 30 in here. But you can use either one that you like. This one's really thin, but if it's for a classroom, I'm actually making these for someone for their kids' classroom. And so I was going to use these, but I thought, you know, they're younger kids. So I thought I'd get these instead, and I need to make 20. So this was perfect because there are 20 bags in here. So you can use the Dollar Tree bags, but I'm just making a treat topper. I haven't done one of these in a long time. And you know they're going to just tear into it, but I thought it was super cute because I love this Be My Valentine with the little hearts. And this one is actually not from a Valentine set. It is from the Share a Milkshake. You're going to see this again, y'all, because I have some ideas for this. It's so cute, and it comes with the dies. If you get them together, it is 10% off. For those of you who are new, please subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. So I'm also using the stitched rectangles for this Be My Valentine. So I'm using the second smallest one here. All right, so that is what we're doing for this one, but they are so cute. I'm also using the Designer Series paper that I have been using for Valentine's because it's perfect, and it's the Country Floral Lane. It is this here. I'm using this pattern, and then I'm also just punching out the hearts on here. On the back of this striped one are all these hearts, and it coordinates with the punch, so it's going to make it really easy. And I wanted it to be like a quick and easy. So, you know, when you have to make 20, you want to make them as easy, but they're so cute anyway, even though they're really quick and easy. All right, so let's get started. I am going to go ahead and grab another one of those bags here out of here, and these are much more sturdy than the other ones, and you can actually fill a lot more candy. You can cut it wherever you want. This one I am just going to cut, I think, let's see, I want it small, so we're going to just cut it over here. And this one is 5 inches. So it's 5 inches. You can use this for something else, y'all. I think that'd be really cute to wrap something in. It's really cute, this little one. They had a couple different designs, but I love these little hearts. All right, so you are going to need a piece of cardstock. I'm using polished pink this time. It's 4 by 4.5, and you're going to score it at 2 inches. So that's just going to make our topper right there. You can make your topper as big as you want, but this seems to be like more of a normal size. And then this piece that we're matting is 1 7/8 by 4 1/4. So we're going to go ahead and mat that right here. And I have to make these just right, y'all, because these are going to be used for the kids' classroom. All right, and then we're going to go ahead and stamp, and I am going to stamp using the Petal Pink and the Sweet Sorbet. So I'm going to stamp in the Sweet Sorbet, Be My Valentine. Oh, I should do that up a little bit further because I need to use the die on here. And then we're going to use the hearts, do the hearts in Petal Pink. And I'm doing a couple on this side and then right here. And then I'm going to use my stitched rectangle, which this really adds a lot of detail because it is stitched. This is about 1.5 by 3, and we are going to run that through. I'm going to go ahead and run it through, and I'll be right back with you. And there is our Be My Valentine for that. And then I'm going to grab my Designer Series paper, and we are going to punch from here. And it punches out the leaves as well It'll punch out all the hearts and everything, but I don't need that bottom heart. So this is going to work just fine. And we are going to pop this one up with dimensionals. So I'm going to put a dimensional on there, and then I'm going to cut from the side here. And we're going to use a couple on our leaves here. By the way, y'all, I should have brought the mini cut and emboss up here, because if you join my team during celebration, you can get your choice of the white or boho blue, which is a new color coming. It's just a sneak peek of it. You can get the new boho blue one. I didn't get the new one to show because I already have the white one. And you get $179 worth of product of your choice as well on here. It is $129 to join. So if anybody is interested in that, you can go to my blog at StampingWithAmore.com, and there is a Join My Team section there. And there's also details on why I joined and what fun it is to be a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Alright, so we are going to adhere this. We're going to adhere this with some seal. And I'm doing it a little bit to the left. I'm going to show you how I attach the bag too. And then we're going to put the heart here. Let's see, let's do it this way. Try to make them almost exactly the same, because you know when you give things to kids, they're like looking to see if theirs is exactly the same. Okay, and then this other leaf right here. This leaf was actually stuck to my hand here, and I was looking for it, and then I felt it on my hand. So silly. All right, so that is going to be our heart right there. I got some of the red hearts as well, so we're going to just mix up. They're all the same, only some have red. I think they have like the, let's see, 3. I'm putting the same amount of candy, y'all. I'm putting 7 in each one. So I bought red, pink, and they have like the silver ones as well. Let's go for the side that show the hearts. All right, now this is what I do for this. I'm just going to put a piece of adhesive right there. Fold that down like that, so that is closed. And then what I do is I'll run this, because I don't like putting staples in when they're little kids, because I don't want anybody to eat it or swallow it or whatever. And these are like first graders, so we're putting a lot of adhesive on here, which is going to hold it together. And then I'm going to kind of tuck the corners here, because I don't want it to show on the outside here. And then we're just going to lay it. Make sure you have your front up at the top here. I'm going to lay this down here. It's hard to do because I don't want it to catch, and then there we go. And then we're going to just push this down here. And you can tuck these sides in as you go. But it holds it really nice too. I'm going to kind of move this around so I can see the heart there. But yeah, there's the red ones, and here's the pink ones. So that's it. Really, really easy to do, y'all. So you can do a bunch of them. You can even have your kids help you do them if it's for their classroom or your grandkids. And it's really easy to do, and it's cheap because you're using dollar bags, dollar candy, and you're just using your paper. All right, everyone, I hope you have a blessed day. I hope you enjoyed it. If you need any supplies, you can shop on my blog at StampingWithAmore.com. That's my January host code. And I hope you all have a blessed day. I'll catch you in the next one. See you later, everyone. Bye.